Right now I am on my digital store, and as you can see here that in the last 1 month I have earned $4.79. And if I can show you my total payouts, I have earned $11.93. While you might say that this amount is not much, but let me tell you that I am not a regular person who sell these things online as a business. I do it as a hobby, and even then I am earning this. These are the digital products. These are the PDF files or in other words, these are the printables which the people buy from your store, and they download it and take a printout of it, or they use it in a digital form on their iPads or on their PC or laptops. So perhaps the best way to earn money apart from the social media, TikTok or YouTube, or for that matter Facebook, is to create your digital products. They are very easy, and right now I am creating the printables, and I'm going to show you in the subsequent part of the video. I'm going to show you a few examples of the printables so that you can understand what I mean by the printables, and then also I will show you that which kind of the people generally buy printables. So you should only make the printables for those people, because otherwise if you just go onto the shiny objects, you will keep creating these things, nobody will buy it from you, and then you will say that everything that is shown on the internet is not true. This is, by the way, is not a fabricated page. This is an actual page, and why would I fabricate it for $4.79? Anyways, this website is Teespring. You can go and check out on this. Before I move further, let me cover it here that there are many online stores on which you can upload your digital files and sell it. Like the most popular one is Etsy, but in most of the countries, like in my country, the Etsy is not available. Moreover, the other platforms like Gumroad and Payhip and there are many others. The problem with those which I have found out is that they ask you for a money upfront, meaning by that you have to create an account by paying them the money. The good part with the Teespring is that they don't charge you the money till the time you make a purchase, but when you sell something, they get a percentage out of that. For example, if I am selling a product which is for $2, they will take 80 cents and they will give me $1.2. So I think that for a starters or for a small businesses or anybody who is starting a digital product business, for them it is good that you don't pay them, and right at the start you share money with them. But when you think that your business is growing or you are selling more digital products, then you can move on to the other digital stores. Anyways, we'll just move on to the next part of the video, and that is what are the printables. Okay, right now I am on the Etsy website, and you can see here that I have searched for the inventory trackers, and there are multiple digital files in the Excel sheet, also in the PDF file. Also people are making these things and they are selling it, and you can see that some of them are not very difficult to create. For example, this one is just a table that you can create in Microsoft Word with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and there is a simple heading on top of it. And look at this, person is selling at 1.76. I am sure that out of this 1.76 he is at least earning $1 per sale on this. And a review for this item is 7. Generally speaking, the 10% of the people give the views, which means that at least 70 copies of this has been sold up till now, and this is a conservative estimate. By even this conservative estimate, this person has made $70 with this just one paper, and that's the power of the digital product. Now the next thing is that what kind of printables you can sell. I have made already a video. I'll keep making these videos, but now I'm going to tell you the broader category that what kind of a people are looking for the printables or digital files, or they are ready to at least spend a couple of dollars to buy from you. Most of the times I have seen that these people are the people that are doing the small business. So any printable or a digital file which the people from small businesses are looking, you can create that. For example, invoice templates, then this is inventory tracker, then you can search for, let's say if I search for small business, you will get an idea that what kind of printables the small businesses are looking for, like business planner. They need calendars, they need this invoice which you can create in Excel or Word, but make sure that it is editable so that the people can put their logo on the top left or the address towards the top right. The inventory tracker that I have already explained, they are looking for budget tracker, they need that, and there are many other things. You can go onto the Etsy, search for the small business, and you'll find a lot of products. The other category of the people who I have seen that buy online these products, they are the freelancers. You can see here the bookkeeping, to-do list, then they have a staff tracker, invoice, business planner, Notion templates, people are buying it, then virtual assistant, and then you can go and see all the other things. The third category of people who buy the printables or digital files are the teachers. Teacher planner, Google Sheet. So basically they need lesson plans, they need calendars, they need flashcards, and they need attendance sheets. These kinds of printables or digital files the teachers buy. Okay, where can you sell this is the Teespring store, and you can see that this is a digital store. You can create a free account onto this store, and then you can simply upload the file just like the way you upload a video onto YouTube or TikTok, and then give it a title, description, and then set a price. And the only problem with these kinds of digital stores other than the Etsy is that these digital stores are not searchable. They do not get ranked in the Google. They are not the marketplaces, just like Etsy. On Etsy, people know this platform. They go onto the Etsy, they search the Etsy, and then they find these products and then they buy. Moreover, the Etsy has one more advantage, that your product can be ranked on Google. And if somebody searches on the Google, like for example the inventory list, and this product, if it is ranked in the Google, it will be displayed in the Google search results, and a person by clicking on that link can come to Etsy and buy your product. So if organically your product is ranked on the Google, then you don't have to do any campaigning, or you don't have to let's say share your link onto the social media, and people would still buy it. But as a starter, as I'm saying, that Etsy also has a mechanism through which they let's say get the money from you. That I'm going to explain in some other video. But as a starter, I just wanted to give you a little motivation that if you are new onto the YouTube also, and if your channel is not monetized, I would suggest that you start to create the digital products, and then link them, put them in the description, and then get their links and put them in the YouTube description. And if somebody would buy that through the YouTube, you will earn this money. And that's the technique that I am using here, through which I have up till now earned $12. I'll keep coming back every month to show you my progress, and I'll try to make let's say more videos on this. You can see that these were the 4 sales in which I have earned 4.79. Otherwise, if you can see that every day I'm getting the visits onto this store, and these all visits are coming from the YouTube. In any ways, if you have any questions, do ask me in the comment section. And also that there is a specific video you want me to make onto the under the broader theme of how to make money by selling the digital products. But remember, my expertise is only in the printables, because the digital products includes the online courses also, the apps also, the software also. I am not into the coding. I'm just a normal person who is trying to learn how to make money online through the free platforms without paying for ads or without paying to the stores upfront.